Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix if Hey Google or OK Google is not responding on your Android phone. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to turn it on and fix it completely step by step. So before we start the video, first I want to clear some reason why you are facing this problem. The problem is usually happen because voice match is disabled, microphone permission is blocked, wrong Google Assistant language, Google app bug or cache issue. Fix it now step by step. Open your Google app. Tap on your profile picture. From here you need to open the app setting. In the app settings, open the Google Assistant. In the Assistant guys, here you need to find out OK Google or Hey Google. If the voice model was disabled, you need to set up it from here. Tap on setup and set up your voice model. Tap on more, tap on I agree and start setting up your Google Assistant. Also you need to check the Google Assistant was enabled or not. And one more thing guys, open the digital assistant from Google. From here you need to select Google Assistant if you want to use only Google Assistant. Okay, and then go back once again, and very important setting guys, you need to select your app language. Tap on language. From here you need to select your app language, your regional language. Okay, in which language you want to use your assistant. This is very important. Close this, tap and hold on your Google widget, open the app info, open the permission and enable the microphone permission from here. After doing this guys, go back and open the storage, clear the cache and go back once again and open the battery option from here, and from here you need to select unrestricted and then once again go back, tap and force stop and then tap on OK. Now open the Google Play Store, search the Google app, and if the app update is available, simply go ahead update your app. After updating app, open it once again, open the setting, go to voices and go to voice match, and if the previously voice model was saved here, you need to delete it and add it once again and it will fix your problem. That's it. Restart your phone one time and say Hey Google and it will launch the Google Assistant quickly on your screen. As you can see guys, if it responds, problem fixed. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.